What's some more? Need it all.
Taylor about the fucking
I'm in a lot of pain, but I act like it don't hurt. Feel like I don't want anything if it's not her. Swear I put so much energy and it don't work. Fell in love with your vibe and all your culture. And while I think about you, do you think about me? And I'm talking about the same way. I always lose but never lose fight. Even if I'm in the same place. Like yes, I'm in love, I acknowledge it. Look at the things we accomplished, just tell me you want it, babe. All of the time in my heart and my mind, you just call and I'm on it, babe. Heard about your exes, I see they be tripping. Know it's cliche, but believe me, I'm different. Mixing emotions with all I've been sipping. My heart always speaking, but you never listen, my.
Forget me, so you know that I'm always in it. Take no witches, body in my liquor, fucking medicine. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on high city on the field.
Yeah, Poppy.
Sorry, I feel no attraction, and now that it's finna figure it out. 'Cause I was
Lonely, never listen to niggas who try to control me. Reminiscing the times you would actually call me and you tell me you love me. I need someone to hold me. Swear I've been acting crazy, my nigga. Nothing fazed me, my nigga. I keep numb with the liquor. If I could taste my soul coming out of my body, it's bitter. I feel numb to the point I can only see pain. I'm sick and tired of waiting to see if things change. Can't love, hot cold, it's a freeze frame. What used to feel like a massacre is a bee sting. All the talks behind my back are getting lame. Proud of what I accomplished, but slowly become ashamed. I'm limited to this brain. Even if you poppin', you limited to the games. I can't trust the soul for the benefits that they claim. Trust another person with secrets is now insane. I wish that someone would pray.
What about you? Yeah. I'm so lost for so long. What about you? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Telling you I'm ready, nigga, if you ready. I don't feel no nervousness inside my belly. Used to feel it in me like I went to Delhi. Body getting stronger, my heart is heavy. Gotta keep it secret, now these niggas jelly. Murking up position like a missionary. Yeah. That's it.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
I'll keep you safe.